Alright guys, welcome back. So I worked on mounting this 1-inch. Oh my gosh. Mounting the 1-inch and the box right there. Strapping that down. Looks slightly crooked, so might have to adjust that. Maybe like throw a kick in there, maybe. It just would have been easier if I measured over a little bit to the left to mount that hole and the box, but I just went center on both sides. And you can slightly tell if you stare at it, slightly going this way. But anyways, I'm gonna go upstairs real quick, do a drive-by of what I did today. I am back here in the Gator turf, so I'll go upstairs real quick and keep it short. I gotta go camping like real quick, like right after work, so I'm going to just make this quick and get out on my way. Alright guys, my coworker was still working upstairs, so I just want to give you a rundown of that 20-second clip of what I was working on. And basically got those 4 pipes finished, all the 90s bent, the kick's done, mounted the 1 box for the light, so that one's totally done. The other pipes, the far right one on the, it's probably not going to make a difference to you, but on the west side, the right side, with the wire coming out of it, finished that pipe and then pulled the wire through it. That's one of the grounding wires for upstairs on the 4th floor, so that one's completely done. And then the one on the far left is stopping for the fire alarm, so that one's as far as done as far as that one can go. And then the last one is not done yet, which is the low voltage one. As you saw, it goes longer than all the rest of them. And
in 1 mile, turn left onto Northeast Anderson Road.
Hopefully you didn't hear that. Anyways, lastly, the low voltage pipe has to get kicked up to the smaller rack. That's what we came up with. We'll do that in a week when we come back. But it's gonna go up from the main rack, kick up to the low voltage rack, and then go into the low voltage gutter over there as well. And yeah, so just worked on that, and then that 1-inch downstairs with the junction box. So anyways, that should do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. As always, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check the description for anything else. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And that should do it, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And one last thing I did want to mention. Today was really great. Everything went really smooth. Got the 90s bent. Only, I mean, I didn't bend them, but I had my coworker bend them. And using the technique, we only wasted 1 piece of pipe out of 3 pieces of pipe. So we got the 90s on the 2nd and 3rd try. So that was awesome. Only wasted the first piece of pipe that had a little kink in it, but almost got that one too. So the pipe went great. Everything was going smooth. Yeah, just totally complete opposite from yesterday. Everything went really fast, smooth, and I mean, the day went fast. The work doing that pipe was doing a little tedious, just kind of going back and forth, trying to do trial and error, you know, just like I got to add a little more bend into this, take a little bend out just to get it just right. But the day went just by screaming fast, and yeah, I just got some stuff done, so that was awesome. And yeah, so some days you're gonna lose and some days you're gonna win, and I just like didn't expect it, but it's like you just figure like one day it's gonna suck, the next day is gonna be great, so you never know what tomorrow's gonna hold. So anyways, I just want to throw that out there, and just stick with it, fam. And even if you're having a bad day, even if it's not work related, just don't give up, and yeah, keep hoping, and wait for the next day. So everything can turn around in a day. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Have a great weekend. Peace out.